Walt Disney World is a tribute to the philosophy and the life of Walter Elias Disney. May Walt Disney World bring joy and inspiration and new knowledge to all who come to this happy place. A magic kingdom where the young at heart of all ages can laugh and play and learn together.
Your attention, please. The Walt Disney World Railroad now arriving from a grand circle tour around the Magic Kingdom. All passengers, stand by to board.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. Then partners, saddle up, because this here's Frontierland, home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is full of tall tales and even taller mountains. Yonder is Big Thunder Mountain and its runaway mine trains, while just ahead is Splash Mountain, where you'll find Brer Rabbit in his laughing place.
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay.
We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight and hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. Even disembarking, these carriage doors all before unfolding. Now, howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. the enchanted forest of Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and headed straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the Walt Disney World Railroad is now arriving at Fantasyland Station. All passengers, please stand by to board. Monkeys, clowns, and acrobats, please report to the Big Top Supervisor.
We are all clear. Please gather all personal belongings and watch your head and step as you exit.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the Walt Disney World Railroad is now boarding for the scenic trip around the Magic Kingdom, which stops at Main Street Station and Frontierland. Everybody board carefully.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the moon. But I'm still awed by the rockets and spaceports 10 and 5. The technology that...
Unidentified users detected in upload conduit area. Scanning. Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Please stay seated. All clear, you can please disembark.
Currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.